Welcome to Monkey Physics IIT JEE NEET Foundations.
Yeah, now this is a third model in case of displacement in nth second or depth fallen in nth second in case of dropped object. So object dropped from some height. We all know displacement in nth second, the formula Snth is nothing but u plus a by 2 into 2n minus 1, right? Now Snth is equivalent to initial velocity 0 because for an object dropped, its initial velocity is equivalent to 0. Yeah. Now how do you write? Acceleration is 10 by 2 into 2n minus 1. So Snth is nothing but 5 into 2n minus 1. So this is also called depth fallen in nth second in case of object is dropped from some height, isn't it? Now let's take here. Now when we are considering the situation, what is this situation? This is a ground and here is a object dropped, initial velocity 0. Now we want to know if t equivalent to 1, t equivalent to 2, t equivalent to 3 and of course t equivalent to 4, let us take in such a way. This is a ground. So t equivalent to 4. Now what we want to consider here, this is the depth fallen in the first second and of course this is the depth fallen in the second, this is the depth fallen in the third second and this is the depth fallen in the fourth second, right? Yeah. Now how do you take this is nothing but S first is equivalent to 5 into 2 into 1 minus 1. It's a 5 meters. 2 minus 1 is 1. Now second one, S second, how do you write? 5 into 2 into 2 minus 1. So 5 into 4 minus, it's a 15 meters. Now S third is nothing but S third is equivalent to 5 into 2 into 3 minus 1. So 5 into 6 minus 1, 5, it is nothing but 25 meters. Now S fourth, hope you are following, right? S fourth is equivalent to 5 into 2 into 4 minus 1, it's a 5 into 8 minus 1, 7, it is nothing but 35 meters. Okay. Now here we want to recall the previous case once. What is that? So when the object is dropped from some height, now t equivalent to 1, t equivalent to 2, t equivalent to 3, t equivalent to 4 we have taken, right? Now we all know depth fallen in 1 second S1, depth fallen in 2 second S2, depth fallen in 3 second S3, depth fallen in 4 seconds S4. And for this we use the formula half g t square, right? S is equivalent to 5 t square. And if you recall, we got this as 5 meters, we got this as 20 meters, we got this as 45 meters, we got this as 80 meters, right? Using this formula. Now, if you observe carefully, depth fallen in 1 second, 5 meters, depth fallen in 2 seconds, 20 meters. Now, what is the depth fallen in the second? This total depth fallen in 2 seconds minus depth fallen in 1 second, 20 minus 5, how much is that? 15. Now, depth fallen in 3 seconds is nothing but 45 from this formula and depth fallen in 2 seconds is 20. Now, depth fallen in third second is only this much. How do you get this? 45 minus 20 is nothing but 25. Even in this way also we can approach. Otherwise, we have the formula for the depth fallen in the nth second. You can directly apply here and you will get the answer. So, this is what the depth fallen in the nth second in case of an object is dropped from some height. Yeah, thank you.